Hi, I'm John. Today we're going to run through the basic steps to install a solar pool heating system on the roof. It'll include the collector-to-collector connections as well as the mounting connections to the roof itself. So we'll start up top. We've already snapped a chalk line and located the trusses, so we'll start setting up the upper mounting hardware where it needs to go. All right, now that we've got all our mounting hardware down, we'll come back and we'll put our lag screws in. You want to make sure that you're securing each mounting piece to the truss underneath it. You're going to also want to make sure that you're using a high quality roofing sealant at least, if not a flashing, and that'll depend on your local building code requirements. We're not going to use any flashing right now, but be sure to just apply that sealant to the bottom of the mounting pads. So you'll notice that we have the top part of the mounting pad turned over backwards. That's going to allow us to set the collectors in place a little bit easier before we connect them to each other. So we'll start with the first collector. All right, now that we have everything together, the collector should stay in place, holding onto that bottom part of the mounting hardware. We can go back through and connect everything together with the plastic panel clamps before we go ahead and do the lower mounting hardware.